So I want to first of all welcome you to my channel, and I also want you to subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, and actually the notification as well, please. So the reason why I decided to resurrect this channel is because I see a huge hole in the market where people don't understand how to walk and talk and serve their best fit clients in a way that's going to not only get the solution that they want for their best fit client, but actually start generating cash flow on a regular basis. This is an issue that I want to resolve. And so each week I'm going to put out a video on this channel that's going to help you understand what an offer is, understand why it's important, and understand how you can use it using a Google Doc and a Zoom link to start generating income. The Google Doc and the Zoom link are just tools. They're part of a system, okay? They don't stand by themselves. So the first video that's going to be in back of this lovely welcome video is I'm going to define why it's important, what's an offer, and why you should have one, and your first step in getting it done correctly. Okay, so I'll meet you soon. Hey, welcome back. So let's go over what an offer is in the first place, and then I'm going to really show you why this is one of the best channels that you should subscribe to. So make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell. So let's get into it. First of all, what is an offer? A lot of people come online and they just start selling stuff. And if you're just selling right out the gate and you don't have an offer that's really dialed in, nothing that you do, all your organics, all of your paid advertisements, whether you're using ads, YouTube, whatever, all of your funnels, all of your emails, none of it's going to work until this part is done. People need to know what you do and how you're going to serve them correctly. So an offer for marketing your products or service is a proposal that outlines the details of what you are selling and the benefits that it offers to potential customers. So that's it in a nutshell. I don't need to really go any further because we're going to really be digging in on this channel. So here's the problems I see with most offers. First of all, they include too many options or features that can overwhelm customers and make it harder for them to make a decision. You don't want your customers to be thinking too hard about what they want, right? If you're hungry, you see a hot dog stand, you're going to grab the hot dog. Like Hormozi says, you want to have that offer in their face when they need it, exactly what they want, right? You don't want them thinking anything other than I want this, right? Overloading an offer can dilute the distinct advantage you want it to have. Making this clear can highlight what's unique or valuable about your offer. So you want your offer to stand out, right? And you want it to be unique and valuable. And when you overload it with too much stuff, it gets diluted. Thirdly, a simpler offer can be easier to deliver and support. Now, I want you to understand that you should be thinking about, when you're doing an offer of any kind, how can I deliver this to my audience and how can I make it get them the results they want as quickly as possible, right? So you want it to be easier to deliver and support, reducing the risk of technical and logistic issues that can arise with a more complex offer. So you don't have to make it crazy. You can make it super simple, right? You can make so much money on a simple offer. So offers that I see and the major product pain points that I see online. So they have some vanilla messaging, and I got this from the internet. So if this looks familiar to you, really do the action that I tell you to do at the end of this video. So I'm going to go over 3 of them. And what's highlighted in red is the vanilla messaging I'm talking about, okay? I teach passionate, driven professionals. Who is that? You need to call out those people. You need to call them out, right? If you're going to say your offer, has to be called out, right? How to meditate, that's fine. with intention. What's the intention? Is the intention for them to sleep longer, to get in REM sleep? What is the intention? Got to call that out too. So they can create their authentic life. Well, what does that look like? Does it look like they have more energy? Does it look like they're going to be able to run faster? What is the authentic life your best fit client is looking for before time runs out? What is time running out? Is it a week, a month, a year, 2 years, 5 years? You have to micro define those things so that people can say, yep, that's what I want. The next one, I help entrepreneurs create better results. Better results in what specifically? Better results on their math exam, better results at their job. What are the results are you looking to help them with? With less effort so they can work less. What does that look like? They're not going to be spending 5 hours on homework. They're not going to be spending 5 hours in commute. What does that look like? Earn more. What does that money look like? An extra 5K, 10K, and have more fun. What does fun look like? Spending time with the family, going on vacation. You need to call these things out, right? Because this is really, really vague and vanilla, right? That's what I mean by vanilla, by the way, vague. I create a unique experience. What is that experience? Is the experience going to be, I don't know, learning how to make a blanket from scratch? Is that a new experience? What is it? For you, with your family and friends while attaining a new skill. Is it a crochet knitting style that you do? I don't know. I don't know anything about crocheting. I'm just making up some stuff, but right in the comfort of your own home. So this wasn't so bad because she did call out what it was, but you need to micro define some of the things in here. So that's what I see as a red flag. So that's why I put this up. So welcome to the bite-size offer that sells, which is what I do. Let me define that. A bite-size offer is a small targeted component of your larger program or course. It is designed to provide a specific knowledge and skills to your clients, which can be quickly applied in their work or personal life. Notice I didn't say business, because you want to really hit it where they're really like, this is keeping me up at night, right? They're typically delivered in a short bite-sized modules, assets, programs that are easy to consume and can be completed in a relatively short amount of time. So we want them seeing you like the boss babe or boss dude that you are. You know how to deliver this thing. The main objective of a bite-sized offer is to provide a quick win for your clients while also generating cash flow and building momentum for a larger offer or course if you desire to do that, right? And so this homework that I have here is for my email list that's $17 a month. It's absolutely nothing. And what I'm going to be doing is kind of helping you go along through this YouTube channel. So anybody can find this, but only the people who are on my $17 a month email list, where I'm going to walk you through this, right? And get you started on the offer that's going to sell, the bite-size offer. So for the people who are on this list, and if you want to subscribe to this list, I'm going to leave a description in the description box below. You just join and you're going to get an opportunity to do this homework. And I will be double checking. So if you just do the homework and just do this and you're not inside of the program, I will just give you a link and say join, right? So the homework is not, here's what I want you to do. Not think of yourself as a vendor, because that's what we mostly do. We're out here, we're thinking, oh, I got this to sell, I want buyers. So we're thinking of ourselves as vendors, but as surgeons. You're going to fix a problem, like a surgeon fix a problem, right? That's the first thing. And while you are thinking of yourself as a surgeon, I want you to brain dump or brainstorm all of the things you can naturally and or intimately know you can help your best fit client do within 30 days or less. What can you give them a quick win on? It's intimate and natural for you to do. What are those ideas? What do you have in your course already? What assets do you have like that? Share that with me and send it to me at sharon@bitesizeoffer.com with the subject offer repair. Again, if you want to be a part of this email list, I'm going to leave that as a description in the description below. If you want to join my free Facebook group, which is also a really great group, you can ask any questions for me, and I have an activity for you to do. I'm going to leave that in the description also below. And definitely subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can get notified when I go live, and I'll be going live once a week. So you have a whole week to get this together to me, and then we'll go to the next step, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.